Hi for all, today we are going to touch of the topic of ethylene oxide sterilization and the classification of types of chemical indicators. We are with you today, Tania Palacios, Sofía Infante, Laura Preciado, Carol Quintín, Carolina Chico, and Tika Jimenez. Let's begin. Today we are going to talk about ethylene oxide sterilization. What is ethylene oxide? It is a colorless gas at room temperature and normal pressure and a colorless liquid below its boiling point, 10.5 grade Celsius, with a range between 10.4 and 10.7 grade Celsius. In the form of gas, it odor is perceptible from concentration of 700 ppm. It is soluble in organic solvents and can be easily mixed with water in any proportion to form ethylene glycol under certain conditions. It is highly flammable as gas. Ethylene oxide is a product resulting from the oxidation of ethylene or ethene. Its empirical formula is C2H4O. Its process is through an ethylene oxide autoclave.
Used to sterilize thermosensitive is surgical medical material which cannot be in contact with air. This being very effective since ethyl is a small molecule and very active due to its size. It has high penetration capacities and allows in the eliminate microorganisms and place of difficult access entering porous substances in allowing the asepsis of surface in which this result cannot be achieved with other means. The speeds being a very effective method, ethylene oxide can be dangerous in the sterilization process since its toxic properties have been proven due to high concentrations or due to frequent and prolonged exposure.
The comparability of ethylene oxide with and with range of and its molecular penetration property compared to head or system sterilization process make the format the most suitable for the sterilization process of thermosensitive medical surgical equipment. In addition to the fact that its method that best protects the structural configuration of the instruments.
The material to sterilize must be in the porous envelope that allows the passage of the agent. They are different types depending on the size of the instrument. In subsequently, a chemical control is placed in an area of difficult access of ethylene oxide. Ethylene is carried out on the homogeneous is checked to avoid contamination of the contents. Inside, it must have previous generated a vacuum on avoid the.
Good morning. Chemical indicator.
T1 or external or process indicator and explained in T10 tab for class. T2 or specific text indicator used to evaluation the air evacuation system interpret vacuum sterilize Brownick test.
Good morning. Chemical indicators.
Chemical indicators, they are the viruses. They contain chemical substances structure, color of stain when explored to one or more critical variable of the sterilization process such as temperature, humidity or temperature, humidity, concentration of the sterilization agent. They do not guarantee the quality of the process due to centric factors.
They change color even when the sterilization process has not finished. 2. Your reading is not clear enough. 3. Is the indicator does not turn is interpreted as process failure and the package could not be used. According to NOM, ISO 1140, they were classified into 6 categories. Sterilization, not sterilization.
Orium parameter indicators. They are indicators that respond to a single critical parameter. They respond only to the temperature parameter. Type for multi-parameters. Indication validates several critical parameters of the sterilization process. They are strips of paper impregnated with thermochromo in that change color when they have been exposed to the time, temperature, condition. 5 or integrator indicator. They respond to all critical parameters of the sterilization process, such as time, temperature, stain quality within a specific interval of the sterilization cycle. These or emulator indicators, the important features of the indicators is that they change with the sterilization cycle takes 95. These or emulator indicators, the important features of the indicators is that they change with the sterilization cycle takes 95.